Hey, it's Carnage, and I am just working on some photos, and thought I would do a little bit of a video here talking about Dr. Mindbender's lab here, which is what we got going on. And this is a dio that I can use for a number of different things. If I can change it up a little bit, it works also for the Joes as sort of a all-purpose meeting room, because all of this stuff can go. So basically we just have the wooden walls, which are these are these sort of half pallet things that were available at the dollar store for a while, and I just attached them, stacked them on top of each other and put them on the wall there. And then I got some lights back behind that to give it a little bit of color, a little splash of color back there. And then I just have these wooden panels from another box of panels that I had bought. Again, just repeating those here on the back wall to give it a little bit of a change up from the concrete. And then I have found this sheet of metal at the Hobby Lobby and a roll, and I had it for a while, and finally seemed like the right use for it. And then I have a piece of black foam back behind it there, just to give it a solid color behind it. So it works pretty good. And here we got Dr. Mindbender, and I've got a little computer, a big computer lab set up for him with the two workstations back there, the two consoles, and then I have this other 3-panel console, and then there's a laptop here, along with a bunch of other stuff. I always envisioned Dr. Mindbender's lab to be kind of messy, and I've been buying little things like this little baby here in the tube. I don't know if you can see him. There he is. A little Cyclops baby in a tube. Little things like that. And these beakers and whatnot. And again, there's the laptop and the desktop. And that's a desk that I made. And here's Duke. He's got a gridiron knife. He's holding Dr. Mindbender off there, and there's a bat coming towards him. He's in trouble. I also built this, I guess it would be like a doctor's table here that I saw in the Dr. Mindbender publicity diorama from Hasbro. I really liked what he did, and I tried my best to copy it. It's not that great, but it works okay for my purposes, and it's surprising how little of it usually actually gets in the photo, if it even makes it in the photo at all. So, and then I've got a light source up top here, and then another one down here to kind of give it some moody lighting from below. A little splash of purple, a little splash of blue over there, and I haven't actually taken the shot yet, but I'm preparing to do that. So yeah, I just wanted to let you know a little bit about what's going on with this particular diorama, and talk a little bit about how I do my setups. I know I haven't done much of that type of thing, so I'd like to try to get a little bit more into behind the scenes with my own photography. And of course, I welcome any comments, criticisms, because I will be the first to admit I really don't know very much about the technical side of things. I do have a Nikon 5100 here, and I really like it, and I'd like to learn more about it, but it's very much a work in progress. So I appreciate you watching. If you've hung in there with me through this almost 5-minute video, I really appreciate you, and I hope you will subscribe, hit the like button, and hope to see you real soon. Thanks for watching.